Introducing the 2008 BMW 328i. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, and air conditioning. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.